In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up quick filters on your Scrum board, so you can easily sort and view specific issues at a glance. First, let me navigate you to your Scrum board within your project. This is where we'll be setting up your custom filters. You'll see 3 dots in the top right corner of your board. Go ahead and click on that menu icon. From this dropdown, choose the Configure Board option to access your board settings. On the left side of your board settings, you'll find the option to create a new quick filter. Click that now. Here's where you'll name your filter. Choose something descriptive that'll make sense when you see it on your board later. This is the key part. You'll use JQL to define exactly which issues should appear when someone applies this filter. Enter your query here based on what you want to filter. You can add an optional description to help your team understand what this filter does. Once you're happy with everything, click the Create button to finalize your new quick filter. Perfect! You'll see a confirmation message, and your newly created filter is now available in your Quick Filters list. Your quick filter is all set up and ready to use. This will help you and your team quickly zero in on the issues that matter most without having to manually search each time. You've successfully created a quick filter for your Scrum board. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again if you need to create additional filters.